When ethanol reacts with ethanoic acid in the presence of concentrated H2SO4, a substance with fruity smell is produced. Answer the following. State the class of compounds to which the fruity smelling compounds belong. Write the chemical equation for the reaction and write the chemical name of the product formed. State the role of concentrated H2SO4 in this reaction. So first of all, we need to know what was this fruity substance, and that was ester, and this is the chemical equation for it. And here there was also as the role of concentrated H2SO4. So the role of it is it acts as a dehydrating agent, which is very essential in order to perform the reaction. It basically removes the water formed in the reaction. And here is the chemical name of the product, which is ethyl ethanoate.